Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2018 Toyota Rav4 and we're going to go over how you remove the side mirror on your vehicle in case you need to, say, replace this because it was cracked, broken, the electrics inside are broken, and you just buy the whole unit to be able to replace it. So to start with, you would have removed the inner door panel or the interior door panel, and then you'll be able to have access to this electric connector here to be able to pop this whole unit off. So the electric connector here, you're just going to push the tab and pull to unclip, and then undo these 3 bolts that are a size 10. And so with those 3 bolts removed, now there's this tab that's holding the mirror on right now, but you're just going to push that down a little bit and then you'll be able to pop this whole thing off. We got some weather stripping that's holding here. Okay. So there was 2 little push pins here that hold some weather stripping to the mirror itself. So you need to kind of pop those back. I just used a needle nose plier, got it in there, and gently pulled it back. Now you'll be able to push this tab in and be able to remove the whole mirror to be able to replace this whole unit if you need to, because it's cracked or broken. And this is where those little clips went into, holding in the weather stripping. So that's how you remove your mirror on your 2018 Toyota Rav4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.